Hello my cuties, how are you doing today? I hope you're doing fine and so am I. So welcome back to Learn Forward from Hi Kids, Feather Cap, and in today's class I will tell you how to make capital and small cursive X. Okay, so let's get started. Okay, so grab your pencils quickly and I will show you how to make small cursive X. Start from here. Make a curve and start from here, again make a curve. Okay, now this is capital cursive X. Start from here and it's a cursive C. Okay, it's a opposite C. Now we make a C again and go up. Okay, so like this you will make capital cursive X. Okay, now next is I'll show you with the dotted lines. Like this you will make. If you don't know how to make, don't worry. You'll practice it and you'll get to know. Now here you'll place the picture of a xylophone because xylophone starts with the letter X. Now I will tell you how to make without dotted lines. Like this. Okay, very nice. Now I will tell you how to make capital cursive X. Very nice. Keep going. Now without joining the dotted lines. Very nice. Okay. Now these are some objects that start from letter X. First one is Xmas tree. Next is extras. And the last one is X-ray. Okay. So all these things start from letter X. Now next is tick the pictures that begin with letter X. You have to tick on the pictures that starts with the letter X. Now you will tell me what are those things. First one is the picture of this one. Tell me what is this? It's a xylophone and xylophone starts with letter X or not? Yes, it does. So we'll put a tick mark like this. Next is this picture of a yacht and yacht doesn't start with letter X. So just leave it. Next is sun, obviously no. Next is Xmas tree, yes. You put a tick mark like this. Next is rose, no. And then X-ray, yes. Put a tick mark like this, okay. So in today's class, we have studied how to make capital and small cursive Z. I hope you have got it. Keep practicing. I will see you in the next class. Till then, bye-bye. Happy learning.